It's Thursday, March 16, 2017, about 9 a.m. California time. We're at Havasu Landing, California, just across the Havasu Lake from Havasu City. They're having a big boat races. And I shouldn't say big boats, they're going to be small boats, but they'll be doing 150 miles an hour. It's the Nationals. So these guys are putting up fences, posts, with the chain link fences you see the guy carrying in there. Well, they put in, and ready for this, there's the machine. That was a tough one. Yep. That one that. Anyway, they put in that many since about 8 o'clock this morning. I'm going to pass slow here. It goes all the way down around and back to site 201. These are site 600. Twos would be somewhere where that maroon pickup truck is out there. We're at site 207. See if I can get the mini winnie. There's the mini winnie. Right there. Okay, so I'm getting back to this. I'm taking a walk around the park. Patsy's taking a shower.